doing down with it.
Okay, then tell me I'ma take it. Okay, then tell me I'ma take it.
Do what I'm doing, down with it. Do what I'm doing, down with it. Do what I'm doing, down with it. Do what I'm doing, down with it.
Then tell me I'ma take it. Okay, then tell me I'ma take it. Give me that shit. Give me that shit. Give me that shit. Give me that pop. Give me that shit. Give me that pop. I said give me that shit. Give me that pop. Give me. I said give me that shit. Give me that pop. Give me that shit. Give me that. Give me that shit.
In the labyrinthine echoes of my cranial corridors, navigating neural networks, not to mental uproar. Sifting through the sediment of subconscious sedimentary, mighty metaphoric minerals, manifold and momentary. Pastel-painted landscapes, hues of human folly, reflections refract and fractals, abstract melancholy. Cerebral sketches, effort entangled in ephemeral. Spirals, synaptic spires and symbolic panorama. Cosmic cartographer, charting unseen spheres. Ephemeral architect, constructing cryptic hues. Existential exorcist, purging spectral fears. In the penumbra of perception, truth perseveres. Syntax, labyrinthine, syllable, serpentine, crafting cryptic catechisms and cryptic confines. Philosophical phalanx, forging fortresses of phrases in the intricate ink of introspection, eternity phases. Corridors of thought, shadows intertwine. Fragments of existence in the depths of the divine. Navigating neuron networks, not of mental uproar. Sifting through the sediment of subconscious sedimentary, mining metaphoric minerals, manifold and momentary. Pastel-painted landscapes, hues of human folly, reflections, refractive fractals, abstract melancholy. Cerebral sketches, etch, entangled in ephemera. Spiral, synaptic spires and symbolic panorama. Cosmic cartographer, charting unseen spheres. Ephemeral architect, constructing cryptic hues. Existential exorcist, purging spectral fears in the penumbra of perception. Truth perseveres. Serpentine, syllable serpentine, crafting cryptic catechisms and cryptic confines. Philosophical phalanx, forging fortresses of phrases in the intricate ink of introspection, eternity gazes.
Okay, then tell me I'ma take it. Okay, then tell me I'ma take it.
Do what I'm doing, down with it. Do what I'm doing, down with it. Do what I'm doing, down with it. Do what I'm doing, down with it.
Then tell me I'ma take it. Okay, then tell me I'ma take it.
Rivers of the paradox, in chiaroscuro hues. Doodles of dilemmas in the labyrinth of clues. Symbolic syllogisms, cryptic conundrums unfurl. Philosophical fractals in a conceptual swirl. Manic metaphors mutate in the matrix of mind. Eclipsed by enigmas and shadow designs. Nostalgic notions navigate nocturnal streams. In the twilight of thought, reality redeems. Metaphysical mariner sailing seas unseen. In the tempest of thought where shadows convene. Subterranean scribes scripting silent screams. In the tomes of the unknown, truth redeems. Cognitive cartography, mapping mysteries. In the folds of perception, reality flees. In the labyrinth of language, truth lies. In the shadows of thought, reality dies. Step by step, the journey unfolds. In the depths of the psyche, stories told.